Hi everyone, welcome to Unit 6, Week 2, Day 1. So we're going to do a little bit of phonemic awareness. This is where you're listening. So I'm going to tell you 3 words and you're going to listen for the one that doesn't have the same sound in the middle or at the end. So jaw, draw, glue. Glue would not belong because it does not have the ah sound. So let's do a few more of those. I have dawn, hole, pause. Hole does not belong. Wait, saw, game. Saw does not belong. Mouth, yawn, couch. So mouth and couch have ow, so yawn does not belong. Fruit, hall, moon. Hall does not belong. Sauce, cause, join. Join does not belong. And last, row, law, claw. Row does not belong. So last week we learned about variants. That means different spellings of oo. So we're going to quickly go over these and then move on. 3, 2, 1, food. 3, 2, 1, room. 3, 2, 1, new. 3, 2, 1, juice. And you'll notice this is the oo, but there's sneaky C hiding as well. 3, 2, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1, rule. 3, 2, 1, zoom. 3, 2, 1, new. 3, 2, 1, blue. 3, 2, 1, tool. Okay, today we are learning about variants. That means different ways to spell a sound. Variants of the vowel ah. So in the past, we've learned that short O says ah, like an octopus. So this would be not. Now we're going to go over a bunch of different ways that we can spell ah that don't really look like ah. So we have ah as in a, as in the letter A, but it says ah. AW says ah. AU says ah. AUGH says ah. Now I'm also going to add OU, GH also it's a spelling pattern that represents many different sounds. One of the sounds that OUGH makes is ah, sometimes, as in thought and bought. So we're going to go over some of those ah sounds in YouTube videos. So, and then AL says ah. So we have ball, AL says ah. AW says ah. Saw, AU says ah. Hall, AUGH says ah. Caught, and AL says ah. Walk. And this is the straw card. We don't call it the variant ah card. We call it the straw card because that's what it's pointing to. So this would be AW, straw. AW, ah, straw. Okay, let's continue. So now if you look at these, they look quite different, and they really do, but they all make the same sound. Ah, let's go across. Ah, 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 ah. Okay, across. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, 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 and ah, ah, ah. Okay, so now I'm going to circle a few and I want you to say the sound. Ah, 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 and ah. Oh, and one more. Ah. Okay, so now we're going to blend. We're not going to go terribly fast because this is our first day working on variants of ah. Okay, here we go. Blend. Sound, s, blend, ah. Put it together. Saw, AW says ah. Now if I said ow, ow, if I sounded it out, it'd be ow. And sow is not a word. Saw is a word. Okay? Sound, sounds, sm, blend. This is ah. So sm, ah, sma, ul. So this part makes it an ul. So this can either say ah, as in walk, ah, walk, or it can have the LL, which makes it say ul. Or even AL can sometimes say all, as in always. So it's a little tricky. So sometimes it just says ah, sometimes it says all, like in always. Okay, let's blend it. All. Put it together. Small. Next. Ah. This is ah. Put it together. Haul. Haul. So if you're hauling something, you're taking it from one place to another. Okay, next. Blend. Ah. Now this is a really long, it looks really long, but it all says ah. That's all it says. So put it together. Taught. Put it together. Taught. Walk. What's the word? Walk. Okay, here we go. I'm going to go down here. We have cool, I think that's it. I'm not sure what that one is. Sp, r, sneaky C. Boy, full of. C, I'm not sure about that one. Let's just erase that one. Ooh, and ooh. So we're going to circle the ones we're actually focusing on. So we're focusing on and that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, here we go. Let's blend some more. Fall. Word is fall. The word is paw. Blend. Fault. The word is fault. And that's like, whose fault is it? Okay, here we go. Talk. The word is talk. Claw. The word is claw. Like a bird has claws, or a cat does. Okay, blend. Now this one's a little tricky because there are lots of letters, but it only says ah. Caught, like you caught the ball. Let me move up here. Blend. Mall. The word is mall. Law. The word is law. Oh, lawn. Sorry. The word is lawn. Okay. Put it together. Cause. The word is cause. Like because. Well, like a cause and effect. Okay. Crawl. Bald. Oh, see how this has an AL sound? All, just like always. So sometimes it says ah, like AL in talk, and sometimes it says AL like bald. Okay, let's keep going. Sauce. The word is sauce. Now this time I'm going to give you a chance. I will underline the sound that says ah, and then I'm going to let you try. I'll count to 3. So remember that says ah. 3, 2, 1. Call. Ooh, this is not all. 3, 2, 1. Cool. 3, 2, 1. Yarn. 3, 2, 1. Yawn. So this one has an ah, and this one has an ah. These do not have ahs. These other two. Okay? 3, 2, 1. False. 3, 2, 1. Face. 3, 2, 1. Shout. 3, 2, 1. Point. 3, 2, 1. Toys. 3, 2, 1. Grew. 3, 2, 1. Spoon. 3, 2, 1. Ah, full. Full of ah. That doesn't make sense though. Because awful means it's like something you don't like. So it's just awful. Okay. Let's read a sentence together. 3, 2, 1. Paul. A-U says ah. Paul. 3, 2, 1. Saw. Paul saw a hawk in the big tree. He, remember, A-U-G-H says ah, taught. He taught his, A-U-G-H says ah, daughter to, A-W says ah, draw. So he taught his daughter to draw. Okay, my dog, here we go, it's all again, almost caught the ball in her paws. Okay, so remember this is our straw card, so let's blend some sounds. All, the word is haul. Cause, the word is cause. Saw, the word is saw. Claw, the word is claw. Dawn, the word is dawn. So that's when the sun is rising. Let's read a sentence again. So we did this last, just previously. So Paul saw a hawk in the tree. Okay, so here's a story. A bird on the lawn. So I will be marking the ah sounds and we'll read this together. So lawn has an ah. Okay, so the words are love, brother, picture, father, many, they, because, friend, today. I love birds. My brother gave me a book about them. In the book, I saw a picture of a bunting. It's a small bird with a short tail and beak. I got up at 5 this morning. My father taught me that birds wake up at dawn, so that means really early. I walked in the woods. I crawled in the itchy, tall grass. Awful bugs flew around me. I saw many things, but I did not spot a bunting. Small birds squawked and cawed. That means they're making noise. They flew away fast. Was it because of me? No, I spotted a hawk. It was looking for food. I drove home. I felt sad. I did not see a bunting. When I got home, I came to a halt in my driveway. A bunting was on my lawn. I got out of my car and paused. I saw another bunting on my awning. Is this the mother? Maybe it is a friend. I saw 2 buntings today. Okay, so we're almost out of time, so I'm going to go a little bit faster. Brother, this is a picture of Tom's brother Tim. These are high frequency words. Father, Jake's father and mother coach his baseball team. Friend, my friend and I love to play baseball. Love, my friend and I love to play baseball. Mother, Jake's father and mother coach his baseball team. Picture, this is a picture of Tom's brother Tim. Okay, so this week we're working on possessive pronouns. Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns. A possessive pronoun shows who or what has or owns something. So words like my, your, his, her, its, our, and their are possessive pronouns. So remember, so let's say Jane. So Jane is a girl, so a pronoun would be she, like she likes to go somewhere. But if we were talking about something she owns, we'd say her. So here, we're going to quickly do this. My coat is white. My is the possessive pronoun. His coat is too small. It's his coat. The dog sleeps in its bed. It's its bed. It's his bed. They put their spelling tests in the basket. It's their spelling tests. That's possessive. Your mother just called. It's your mother. It's a possessive pronoun. Julie lost her teeth. It's her teeth. Gran stayed at our house. It's our house. Okay, we're going to do this really quickly. The school has its own pool. It's the school's pool. Miss Dawson helped me with my math. Whose is it? It's my math. Susie likes her new skirt. It's her new skirt. Jack left his flute on the lawn. It's his flute. So there's a little introduction to possessive pronouns. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.